Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Woody Woodpecker reaction. This one is going to be Misguided Missile from 1958. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Guess who?
Woody. Okay, the birds. Ah, there's Woody. So now, right, I was about to say, so now he's pecking on the floor and not on trees. I wonder why. He's gonna explain it, I guess.
For the birds.
This is for the birds. You're not kidding. Well, you are a bird, but yeah, that's not for you though. Ah, no, he's going after the bench, right? Ah, okay. No, so he did want the apple. I thought he wanted to peck at the bench, right? Since he's a woodpecker, but no, he wants to eat. Yeah, no, I get it. I like, and birdseed isn't gonna do it, right? So I get it. You need something, something more, more filling than some birdseeds. I get that. Help wanted, hard jobs, easy jobs. That sounds better. Gravy train jobs. What is that? Gold breakers. Okay, wanted, super salesman to sell insurance. Ah, big pay, apply, fly by night company. Okay, all right. So that's what he's gonna settle on. He's gonna be an insurance salesman. He just get. Oh, poor guy. He just wanted to read his paper. Would he just ripped a big chunk out of it? Oh wow, come on. At least you could have asked them before you ripped it, like, can I just rip out the this ad, right? Oh, Woody, wow. Oh, what? The skunk? That's, yeah, the skunk's gonna he's gonna clear everybody. Wow, so then where's Woody?
Take it easy, Mac.
Oh, what?
Just use this trick to get in first.
Oh, wow. Oh, that was Woody. Oh wow! It didn't even occur to me that that was Woody. I thought it was a skunk. That was a good costume. I mean, all right, Woody. That is very smart, though. That is very smart. He's a very smart woodpecker. Wow. Just, yeah, like to get in front of everybody. Just everyone's gonna be scared of a skunk. He even scared the boss, right? That's supposed to hire him.
Why, you...
Oh.
Watch the old blood pressure, Chief.
What's the old
You
blood
wanted a super
pressure?
salesman? Here I am.
All right.
I'll
Okay.
give you a job that's right up your alley.
The low rent district. Ah, Dooley's alley. Oh wow.
Do you need an accident policy, sir?
No, Woodpecker!
Dooley, come on.
The accident policy.
He's not wrong. He's not wrong. Like, no, Woodpecker, you need the accident policy. I don't. Oh, there's Dooley again. Wow. All right. Wow, poor Woody. He doesn't even know what hit him, man. He's seeing stars and everything. Wow.
Policy? Ha, ha, ha.
Dooley. But Woody's not gonna let you get away with that. That's the thing, Dooley. You messed up there. Oh, your card doesn't even start.
This policy insures you against...
I said I don't want no...
Hey, he's a persistent salesman. I respect him. So he's just gonna appear everywhere, huh? No wonder it wouldn't start. Woody was there on the where the engine is supposed to be.
Policy, now beat it!
This policy insures you against being hit by a falling safe.
Who's gonna get hit by a falling...
You shouldn't have said that. You are. Now that you said that. Oh, we'll see. You just did. Right, and if you had the insurance, it would have covered it. So did Woody? No, Woody didn't do that, did he? Maybe he did. I don't know. Maybe he's the one that threw the flying safe on him.
It pays double if hit by 2 safes.
Oh, he's gonna. Oh, okay. I thought another safe was gonna fall on him. But no, yeah, wow. Yeah, you just take that policy, Dooley. You're gonna need it when dealing with Woody.
Will also be covered if hit by a streetcar.
Oh, he's gonna get hit by a streetcar.
It insures against falling into a printing press.
Oh, he's gonna fall. What about being pushed into a printing press, huh? Does it cover that if you're pushed by the salesman? Oh, wow, Woody. He really just pushed them. Oh, wow. Yeah, Dooley, just sign the paper. Like, just, all right, give me a pen. I'll sign it. Just sign it. Oh, wow. He's in this paper now.
You will be protected against pile drivers.
Oh, no.
Being hit by lightning.
It's not even cloudy. Oh, yeah, you just take that policy. Just sign it. Sign it right now, Dooley.
If kicked by a mule.
Oh, no! Where did the mule come from? Oh, what a dog bite! Oh, wow. Usually Dooley's the bad guy, but here I feel bad for him. Oh, wow.
It insures against being eaten by crocodiles.
Oh, no! Where were you at where there was crocodiles? Because where they were at right there shouldn't be no crocodiles. Oh, wow. Just sign it, Dooley. Just sign it. Woody's not going to stop until you sign it.
That's love outside.
Yes!
Finally.
Finally!
Here's the
Hey, Woody's a great salesman. I would have signed it. I mean, once Woody knocked on my door, I would have signed it. Oh, man, wow.
policy, sir. Just sign on the bottom.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you messed up, Dooley. Oh, I thought he was actually gonna sign it. Oh, he tricked him. Wow. All right. Well, you asked for it. Woody's he's gonna continue to get you hurt. All right. We'll see.
Now I'm insured against everything.
Okay.
Oh, yeah?
But you didn't sign
Here's
it,
the
did you?
fine print.
You are not covered if hit by by a guided missile. Oh, wow. Oh, no. So he did sign it. Okay. I thought he wasn't going to sign it, but no, he just did that to Woody, then he signed it. But, yeah, wow. So we know a guided missile is coming to hit Dooley right now. Oh,
Who's
yeah.
gonna get hit by a guided missile?
You are. I know someone who is. You are. Don't laugh at it. Oh, wow. Right. You are, especially when Woody's the one controlling it. Chiseler, chicken stealer, freeloader, deadbeat. I guess that's Dooley. Oh, you shouldn't be laughing. Oh, don't even open that. Don't open that. You messed up. Hey, you're not covered under insurance. You're covered against everything except the guided missile. Wow. No, just what is that noise? Oh, you better run. Oh no, it's gonna know you're in there. It's gonna know you're in there. Oh, okay, went back, but it's moving. Right, like the trash can is moving. Like that's a giveaway right there, Dooley. Oh, at least you're covered from that. You're covered if you get run over, I mean. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh, okay, because his eyes. Wow, it's hiding from him. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. No, you're not going to get rid of it. You're not going to get rid of the missile. Oh, no. It took your hat. Men at work. Okay, okay. Uh-oh, it's following you. It's following you. It knows where you are.
Here, Mr. Dooley.
Woody, man. Hey, he's doing his thing. I mean, he's a persistent salesman. I'll give it to Woody there. Even the right, this is his doing, but it's like he wants to make a sale. Like, just sign it. Oh, wow. Oh no, that's not good. The lion. Why would there be an opening right there to a lion's enclosure? Wow. The lion was ready too, man. He was ready to eat Dooley, man. Wow. Wow. Oh, yeah, you better run. Oh, you're gonna get run over. Okay. What is he gonna do? He's the horse. I'm just a statue here. Uh-oh. The missile knows. He knows. He already turned to a horse. The music, the movie, man. Oh, dude, it's over for you. It's over. Yep, yeah. And now you don't have, you're not covered under that, so you have to pay for all the damages, right? Oh, well, had you signed the policy that Woody gave you, you would have been covered, right? The second policy he wanted you to sign.
Hey, nurse, bring me my breakfast.
Woody's gonna be the nurse. Oh, okay, I thought Woody was gonna be the nurse. Burn? Oh no, you don't want it burned. Oh, that's a ticking time bomb. He's so traumatized. He's traumatized. It was just a toaster, but it did sound like a ticking time bomb, though.
Last chance to sign, Dooley.
Just sign it. Sign it.
Covered.
All right.
Covered.
Read the fine print.
Oh, what now? There's always something in the fine print. You are not covered for jumping out of a window. Wow, there's always something, man. You're not covered. You're not, Dooley. I feel you. I feel you. That laugh, man. Oh, that Woody. Wow. That's how it is, man, with the insurance. There's always something in the fine print. You always got to read the fine print. Wow. It's like, wow. Man, I did feel bad for Dooley in this one. Because it was like Woody was the one messing with him this time. But yeah, no, this was a good one though. Really funny for sure. Yeah, that was great. No complaints. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.